America, which claims to be the most powerful nation in the world, takes great pride in its aircraft carriers, or in other words, its warships that carry fighter planes. There are very few countries that do not feel intimidated in front of these ships, which are as big as a small island. But now the news coming out from West Asia is shocking the entire world. Can Iran's Shahid drones, which cost only a fraction, really challenge even the ultra-modern ships like the USS Abraham Lincoln, which are worth hundreds of crores of dollars? Is Iran rewriting the rulebook of modern naval warfare? Let us take a look at the master plan prepared by Iran, the David, to bring down this Goliath of the seas. The real strength of the American Navy lies in its carrier strike groups. Among these, one of the most important is the USS Abraham Lincoln. To protect it, missile destroyers and state-of-the-art radars are stationed all around. But for the past few days, things have not been so pleasant in the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. The Houthi rebels, backed by Iran, as well as Iran directly, are targeting these ships. They are not coming with just a single drone. Instead, they are using the drone swarm method, sending hundreds of drones at the same time. This is really putting America's defense system in a spin. What exactly are these Shahid drones? Shahid drones are those which can be made using just an old CAM engine and fly with a loud noise. Simply put, they are flying suicide bombers. The cost of this is even less than that of a luxury car. But this is the twist in the law. America spends nearly $2 million for a missile to shoot down a single Shahid drone. That is roughly 16 crore rupees. But the cost of one Iranian drone is just $20,000, which means only about 16 lakh rupees. Just think about it, using a missile worth 16 crore rupees to stop a drone that costs only 16 lakhs. This is also an economic war that is weakening America's own economy. Iran has already proved that even the world's biggest arms dealers can be brought to their knees with a machine costing just 16 lakh rupees. These tiny missiles will rain down on ships like firecrackers catching fire, faster than even the most advanced radars can blink. Shahid drones have triangular-shaped wings. This gives the drone more stability in the air and a lower radar signature. That means they won't easily get detected by the radars of large ships. Iran's biggest intelligence lies in its use of civilian technology. They use GPS modules and small engines that are easily available in the regular market. These drones use 4-cylinder engines like the MD-550, which is a copy of German technology. Its sound is similar to that of a grass-cutting machine. This helps to mentally weaken the enemy. Even if the enemies jam the GPS signals, Shahid drones have an inertial navigation system to reach the target. This system calculates the drone's speed and direction on its own and helps it move towards the target. This drone can carry about 30 to 50 kilograms of explosives in its nose cone. If it crashes into the radar tower or any sensitive part of an aircraft carrier, that alone will be enough to force the ship to withdraw from the battlefield. Up to 5 drones can be launched at the same time from a reinforced rack mounted on the back of a truck. If there are 10 such trucks, 50 drones can reach the sky within minutes. This is the basis of a swarm attack. Now let us see how a swarm can defeat ships. America has the world's best radar system, Aegis, but even this has its limitations. If 500 drones attack from all directions at once, which one will you shoot down? The radars will get confused. The missiles will run out. You can stop 5 or 10 drones, but if the 11th drone manages to crash into the ship, that's enough. The billionaire ship will become inoperative. The biggest weakness of aircraft carriers is actually their size. In front of Iran's high-tech drone swarms, this size is turning into a curse. Today, the US Navy is sweating it out in the Red Sea, which is the main route connecting Europe and Asia. The moves targeting the USS Abraham Lincoln are not just a warning, but actually a sign of a major change that's about to come. Iran is sending a message to the world that aircraft carriers can no longer sail safely in the seas. The world is changing. From now on, wars won't be between big ships, but rather between smart drones. The sight of a drone controlled by a youngster sitting in front of a computer screen, destroying a ship with thousands of soldiers and weapons worth crores of dollars. Has the invincibility of aircraft carriers come to an end? What is your opinion? Did Iran really shock America? Do comment below.